The past couple of days, this little bird has been shitting on my car. Little asshole. What's your problem? Stop shitting on my car. Why? Why do you like that spot so much? What's your problem? What did I ever do to you? Quit it. Little jerk. Look at all the shit he shit on my car. God. It's not just this side. Little bastard is shitting on this side too. Look at all that bird turd. God. Look at that one. That's gross. God. Little asshole bird.